Hey everybody, so I got a quick parts video and kind of tool haul I got from Napa today. I picked up a couple sockets and I picked up some extra brake lines for the 2000 4Runner just in case they ever needed, because Toyota doesn't sell them anymore, so once they're gone, they're gone. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Alright, so today's tool haul, I had these already. This is a 22mm Carlisle socket, part number 61-4322. This one was mine. I have this GM Performance parts, part number 37226. It's a 13/16 socket. This one I already had. You could see it's had some better days. I have used this on an impact a few times. It was the only socket I had at the time that would fit my lug nut wrench or lug nut socket, lug nut socket, specialty tool for my splined lug nuts. I picked up one of each of these in both impacts. So I picked up another Carlisle 614322 socket. They're both 1/2-inch drive, 6-point. I also picked up the 13/16 1/2-inch drive, 13/16 6-point. It is part number 614226. And then I picked up, because they came from California, they finally came in. These are the brake lines that go from the caliper to the flex line on the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. I picked up 3 for the right side and 3 for the left. This part is something that they are no longer manufacturing. These actually came from Toyota in California, in Toyota, one of the Toyota dealerships' main hubs. I think it was the warehouse in LA. They were $8.99 a piece. I picked up 3 for the right, 3 for the left. It should hold me over for the life of the vehicle if it ever needs to be changed out again. I technically bought 4 of each side because 2 of them I actually put on the truck when I did the brake job. I just didn't have that in the video because I was doing the brake booster and the master cylinder, and because I got 2 bad brake boosters, I had to open the system 3 different times. So I figured, oh, I'll just install these, lines from the caliper to the new flex lines I bought, which are the red flex lines. I figured I'll just install them after I'm doing the booster, and next time I do a booster, I'll record it. This time I didn't record it any of the times, and I did it 3 different times. I totally spaced it. I just wanted to get the job done. But for, I think it was like $8.99 or $9.99, something like that. I basically got, if you count the 2 I put on the truck, I got 8 of them for $80. If they were cheaper, I don't remember. Let me see I have receipt for those today, so let me look at it. They were $9.42. So $9.42 a piece. It's 3 and 3, $28.26 and $28.26. So it's not bad. Plus $9.42, 2 more, it's $84 for what I bought today, so not bad. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, and if you guys are looking for the part number, Part number for one of them is 47316-35250. If you guys need these for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner for the front calipers to the flex line, the other part number is 47314-35330. Hopefully that helps. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.